3, 2, 1.
I help you hold your books, but if you drop me, all your books will scatter. What am I? The answer is A. Bookmark. Which clothing item is also known as breeches? The answer is A. Pants. On what day was baseball commissioner Bud Selig born? The answer is C. July 30, 1934. I'm a woman who led the American suffragette movement. Who am I? The answer is A. Susan B. Anthony. The original version of the popular Christmas song, Silent Night, was what language? The answer is A. German. What is the largest commercial vehicle? The answer is C. Bus. Thylakoid membranes contain molecules of what green pigment used in photosynthesis? The answer is B. Chlorophyll. I travel thousands of miles with a man all in one night. What am I? The answer is D. Book. In which two parts of the water cycle does water absorb energy? The answer is C. Melting and evaporation. The brightest object in the night sky, excluding the sun and moon, is? The answer is D. Sirius. I understand your fears, but they don't scare me. What am I? The answer is C. Psychologist. Which of these human activities most relies on high-quality soil? The answer is D. Growing crops. Though silent, I'm loud. Though small, I am big. What am I? The answer is B. Speaker. Who was the president when the Berlin Wall fell? The answer is A. Ronald Reagan. What helps regulate the production of urine? The answer is C. The pituitary gland. In which way is a prokaryotic cell different from a eukaryotic cell? The answer is B. A prokaryotic cell has no nucleus. In The Simpsons, how much does Homer pay for Professor Frank's matter transporter? The answer is C. $0.75. What does the acronym RAM stand for in computer memory? The answer is A. Random access memory. Which country is famous for its famous painting Mona Lisa? The answer is B. France. Which of the following foods is poorest in carbohydrates? The answer is B, pork. I treat many, but don't examine them. What am I? The answer is D, pulse oximeter. What is the world's smallest winged insect? The answer is A, Tanzanian parasitic wasp. When a student uses the equation mass multiplied by change in temperature multiplied by specific heat, what is being calculated? Q equals m backslash times C backslash times backslash delta T. The answer is D, heat gain or heat loss. I feed cities, fertilize fields, and quench thirst. What am I? The answer is D, river. Learning to get used to something after being exposed to it for a while is associated with what kind of learning? The answer is C, habituation. In what year did the detective series Barnaby Jones premiere? The answer is B, 1973. What is the name of the boy who wants to destroy Carly's web show on the hit television show iCarly? The answer is A, Neville. According to the distance between the planets and the Sun, Jupiter is situated between which two planets in the solar system? The answer is D, Mars and Saturn. What is the advantage of selecting for certain genetic traits for crops? The answer is C, promotes productivity. The show 60 Minutes was a top 10 show for how many seasons in a row, starting in 1977? The answer is B, 23. Which of these colors would you find on the flag of Luxembourg? The answer is A, red. Who holds the record for most piercings in a single session? The answer is C, Ted Patterson C. Which type of cell lacks a nucleus? The answer is B, bacteria cell. A lion can eat a sheep in 2 hours, a wolf in 3 hours, and a dog in 6 hours. How long will it take the three animals to eat a sheep if they eat together? The answer is D, 1 hour. Whose last words were "Don't let it end like this, tell them I said something"? The answer is C, Panko Villa. Which band released Stairway to Heaven?
The answer is B, Led Zeppelin.
I twinkle in the night sky, not a starfish. What am I? The answer is C, comet. I bring worlds to life and let you walk through them. What am I? The answer is A, book. Which structure was designed by Mies van der Rohe and completed in 1989? The answer is C. Seagram building. Which of these colors would you find on the flag of Hungary? The answer is C. Green. When George is feeding Bob Yappy's dog treats in the movie UHF, what kind of cookies does he think he is feeding him? The answer is D. Mrs. Hockenberger's butter cookies. I'm full of ears but cannot hear. What am I? The answer is C. Horn. Julius Caesar once said veni, vidi, vici. What did he mean? The answer is C. I came, I saw, I conquer. I bring chilly winds, yet I'm not a polar bear or the North Pole. What am I? The answer is A. Winter wind. What are the colors of India's flag? The answer is A. Orange, white, and green. I'm light but I can break a window. What am I? The answer is B. Hailstone. What disease is given as an example of a sex-linked trait? The answer is C. Hemophilia. I travel at the speed of light, but can't keep up with it. What am I? The answer is C. Light year. What two basic types of feather does a bird have? The answer is D. Flight and down. What is the old name of the country of Madagascar?